So during this seminar, we are going to focus on our own conflicts. We are going to look for something to hold on to while we are in a disagreement and probably often in some difficult emotions. So there will be some theory about conflicts and polarizations and the basic dynamics, how to understand better what is going on, both in a relationship or in a group and in our inner world. So we are going to also focus on how we feel during the conflict and how to navigate this inner world better so that we can dance through it rather than suffer. So we often get tense when we even hear the word conflict. And yet conflict is unavoidable. Not only that, it is really potentially useful if we know how to deal with it. So you shouldn't miss this seminar because it gives the unique chance to begin to feel much more comfortable and open to conflict, to learn skills that would help you to treat it rather as a like adventure, as something potentially useful and not a threat.